This is actually our 7th annual Technology Career Fair. It used to be called the Information Technology Career Fair, but this year we've expanded it to include not just IT, which is huge in and of itself, but we include visual communications and also welding technology and engineering technology. So it's really opened the gap to include technology as a whole, and that has in fact caused us to have many more employers registered this year. We have over 40 employers registered this year. Whether it's a welder, fabricator, whether it's a CAD person they're looking for, whether it's a summer intern, whether it's a high-level IT director or systems administrator, we really cross the board. Engineering tech, and these are all good-paying jobs. So there are more jobs than there are people. So there's also a job seekers market out there, and as a result, the wages have come up, which is a good thing. It's made it more competitive.
The demand is high for good quality employees. Everybody's competing for a limited pool of employees here in Northern Michigan, and so you have to set yourself apart, and we're excited to be able to do that here. This is our first event that we participated in. We're really in need of 3 positions we have open, and so we're looking to not only get our name out but showcase that we are as not only just a woodworking company but a big manufacturing technology company. So we're trying to change a little bit of the image of Strata Design, which builds cabinets and countertops for large commercial projects. The more visibility we can get with more people allows us to bring in maybe a larger pool to select from of candidates, and that's just great having it all in one spot.